Hi, welcome to EPG Pathshala, Spanish. We are in the paper entitled Advanced Spanish Grammar. I am Gaurav Kumar and I teach Spanish in the Center of Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, and Latin American Studies in Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. We are in the module titled Exclamatory 1. One of the easiest ways to convey a very strong feeling or opinion about something is to use an exclamatory word. These words are very similar to interrogative words, but instead of asking a question, they simply state an idea or opinion. Exclamatory words make a simple phrase into a statement of surprise or amazement. The specific word used in a Spanish exclamation depends on the word that follows. Notice that all exclamatory words carry an orthographic accent just like interrogative words. Exclamatory statements are formed just like interrogatives. The exclamatory word is first and is followed by the quality being exclaimed. This can be an adjective, adverb, verb, or noun. Most of the time, the noun or noun phrase and verb are switched from their more natural order. To make judgments about the characteristics of someone or something, or on the way of doing something or a situation, and to intensify qualities, sensations, or feelings, the following constructs are used. Quan. Quan is used in literary works and not commonly in speech. Let us see some examples. Cuán feliz me haces. I repeat. Cuán feliz me haces. The English equivalent is how happy you make me. Let us take another example. Cuán mal educados son. I repeat. Cuán mal educados son. The English version is how rude they are. Keep in mind that cuán can be replaced by K or K can be replaced by cuán. Cuánto, which is used in front of nouns to express surprise at an amount, and in front of verbs to express surprise at how much someone is doing the action of that verb. To modify a noun, cuánto must match the noun in gender and number. To modify a verb, use the singular masculine form cuánto. So, with nouns, we have the possibilities of using cuántos, cuántas, cuánto, cuánta. Let us see some sentences to understand the usages. ¿Cuánto dinero tiene Bill Gates? I repeat. ¿Cuánto dinero tiene Bill Gates? The English equivalent is how much money Bill Gates has. Another example is ¿Cuántas bendiciones tenemos? ¿Cuántas bendiciones tenemos? The English version is how many blessings we have. So in these two sentences, you can see that before dinero, cuánto is used, and before bendiciones, cuántas is used. As bendiciones is plural and feminine, that is why cuántas, and dinero is el dinero, that is why cuánto. Some more examples. ¿Cuántos perros? I repeat, ¿cuántos perros? The equivalent English version is what a lot of dogs. Another example is ¿Cuánto te quiero? I repeat, ¿Cuánto te quiero? How much I love you. Or we can also say I love you so much. In these two sentences, you can see the difference that when it is noun, perros, then cuántos is used as per masculine plural los perros. But when used with the verb querer, as in te quiero, it is just cuánto, which doesn't change. Next example is ¿Cuánto bailamos anoche? I repeat, ¿Cuánto bailamos anoche? The English equivalent is how much we danced last night, or we can also say we danced so much last night. Let us come to the use of the word que in the exclamatory form. Que is used in front of nouns, adjectives, and adverbs to mean how or water. Let us see some constructions. Que plus adjective plus verb. ¿Qué músico es? I repeat, ¿qué músico es? The English equivalent is what a musician he is. Let us take another example. ¿Qué inteligentes son? I repeat, ¿qué inteligentes son? The English version is how smart they are, or we can also say they are so smart. ¿Qué combined with noun? Let us see an example. ¿Qué hombre? ¿Qué hombre? The English version is what a man. ¿Qué plus noun plus más plus adjective. Let us see this construct in the form of a sentence. ¿Qué casa más grande? I repeat, ¿qué casa más grande? The English version is what a big house. Another set of construct is ¿qué plus noun plus tan plus the adjective. In a sentence, let us see this. ¿Qué mujer tan guapa? I repeat, ¿qué mujer tan guapa? The English version is what a beautiful woman. When an adjective is not used, the exclamation may indicate positive or negative aspects depending on context and intonation. ¿Qué casa? This can mean es una casa maravillosa, extraña o desastrosa. I repeat, ¿qué casa? This can mean that es una casa maravillosa, extraña o desastrosa? ¿Qué casa has its equivalent, what a house? But it can mean it's a wonderful, strange, or disastrous home because the adjective has not been used in this case, which can define the quality. ¿Qué sueño he tenido? ¿Qué sueño he tenido? This can mean in Spanish, he tenido un sueño extraño, desagradable o maravilloso. I repeat, ¿qué sueño he tenido? This can mean in Spanish, he tenido un sueño extraño, desagradable o maravilloso. The English equivalent is, what a dream I had. This could mean, I had a strange, unpleasant, or wonderful dream. Next is the case of que plus noun plus el mío, la mía, el tuya, la tuya. To emphasize the person. Let us see this construct in an example. Qué suerte la tuya. This can mean, qué suerte tienes. I repeat, qué suerte la tuya. Or qué suerte tienes. In English, how lucky you are, or lucky you. ¿Qué valor el vuestro? Or we can say, ¿qué valor tenéis vosotros? I repeat, ¿qué valor el vuestro? Or we can say, ¿qué valor tenéis vosotros? In English, how brave are you? Or we can say, you are so brave. When an adjective follows a noun, it is preceded by más, which means most. When an adjective follows a noun, it is preceded by más, which means most, or tan, which means so. The construct is que plus noun plus tan or más plus the adjective. Let us see some examples. Qué documental tan interesante. We can also say, qué documental más interesante. Both these sentences in English will mean, what an interesting documentary. Let us take some more examples. ¿Qué moneda tan rara me he encontrado? Or let us say, ¿qué moneda más rara me he encontrado? The English version is, what a rare currency I have found. Que with adjective. Example, qué delicioso. How delicious. Qué rápido pasa la vida. I repeat, qué rápido pasa la vida. In English, how quickly life passes by. Quien is used with verbs like pensar, suponer, sospechar, imaginar to express surprise at some unexpected event or situation. Quien plus iba a plus infinitive form followed by que plus iba a plus infinitive. Let us see this construct in an example. ¿Quién iba a pensar que Ana se iba a divorciar? I repeat, ¿quién iba a pensar que Ana se iba a divorciar? The English equivalent is, who would have thought that Anna was going to divorce? Next construct is that of quien plus iba a plus the infinitive followed by que plus the subject and the verb in the conditional. Let us see it in an example. ¿Quién iba a pensar que Ana se divorciaría? I repeat, ¿quién iba a pensar que Ana se divorciaría? The English version is, who would have thought that Anna would divorce? Another set of construct is quien plus iba a plus infinitive plus que plus the imperfect of the indicative. Let us see this in an example. ¿Quién iba a pensar que Lourdes estaba deprimida? I repeat, ¿quién iba a pensar que Lourdes estaba deprimida? In English, who would have thought that Lourdes was depressed? The construct of quien can be followed by pudiera, and the rest of the construct remain as same as the earlier case. Let us see this in an example. ¿Quién podía pensar que íbamos a trabajar juntos? I repeat, ¿quién podía pensar que íbamos a trabajar juntos? In English, who could think that we would work together? ¿Quién followed by podía plus the infinitive followed by que and the final subject and the verb in conditional. ¿Quién podía pensar que trabajaríamos juntos? ¿Quién podía pensar que trabajaríamos juntos? The English version, who could think that we would work together? ¿Quién plus podía plus infinitive followed by que plus the imperfect of the indicative. ¿Quién podía pensar que Lorenzo tenía dos hijas? ¿Quién podía pensar que Lorenzo tenía dos hijas? In English, who could think that Lorenzo had two daughters? Now, coming to the next construct is that of quien followed by podría plus the infinitive followed by que plus iba a plus infinitive. Let us see this construct in the form of a sentence. ¿Quién podría pensar que iba a bajar la bolsa? ¿Quién podría pensar que iba a bajar la bolsa? In English, who would think that the market was going down? ¿Quién followed by podría plus the infinitive and followed by que plus subject and final verb in the conditional. ¿Quién podría pensar que bajaría la bolsa? I repeat, ¿quién podría pensar que bajaría la bolsa? Who would think that the market would go down? ¿Quién plus podría plus infinitive followed by que plus the subject and the final verb in the imperfect past. Let us see it in an example. ¿Quién podría pensar que la empresa tenía pérdidas? I repeat, ¿quién podría pensar que la empresa tenía pérdidas? In English, who would think that the company had losses? ¿Quién is also used to express wishes. ¿Quién plus the imperfect subjunctive. ¿Quién cocinará como tú? I repeat, ¿Quién cocinará como tú? The English version is, who could cook like you? Quien followed by pudiera plus the infinitive is in the same way used for expressing wishes. Quien pudiera viajar como tú? Me gustaría conocer África. I repeat, quien pudiera viajar como tú? Me gustaría conocer África. In English, who could travel like you? I'd like to know Africa. Let us see some more examples of the above explained exclamatories. ¿Quién iba a pensar que tendríamos un accidente? ¿Quién iba a pensar que tendríamos un accidente? In English, who would have thought we would have an accident? Next example is, ¿Quién pudiera hablar español como tú? Or we can say, ¿Quién hablara español como tú? Both of these sentences translate as, who could speak Spanish like you? Next example is, ¿Quién se iba a imaginar que tendría gemelos? ¿Quién se iba a imaginar que tendría gemelos? This can be expressed with other forms also, like ¿Quién se iba a imaginar que iba a tener gemelos? Both these sentences mean in English, who could have imagined that she would have twins? Next example is, Qué bien escribe Ana. I repeat, Qué bien escribe Ana. In English, how well Ana writes. Let us see another example. Qué paisaje. I repeat, Qué paisaje. In English, what a scenery. Another example is, Qué olas. Qué olas. What waves. Next example is, Qué buen gusto tiene Pedro. I repeat, Qué buen gusto tiene Pedro. In English, what a good taste Pedro has. Next example is, Qué vestido más elegante. I repeat, Qué vestido más elegante. In English, what an elegant dress. ¿Qué piso tan acogedor tienes? I repeat, ¿Qué piso tan acogedor tienes? In English, what a cozy apartment you have. Next example is, Qué guapas son tus hijas. I repeat, Qué guapas son tus hijas. The English version is, how beautiful are your daughters? Next example, ¿Qué sed tengo? I repeat, ¿Qué sed tengo? In English, how thirsty I am. Next example, ¿Qué buena suerte la vuestra? I repeat, ¿Qué buena suerte la vuestra? In English, how lucky you all are, or lucky you. Qué mala suerte la suya. I repeat, qué mala suerte la suya. How unlucky. Next example is, ¿quién podía sospechar que Mario nos engañaba? I repeat, ¿quién podía sospechar que Mario nos engañaba. In English, who could have suspected that Mario was cheating us? Let us take another example. ¿Qué jóvenes se han muerto los padres de Lola? I repeat. ¿Qué jóvenes se han muerto los padres de Lola? In English, how young Lola's parents have died. Next example is, ¿qué montañas tan altas? I repeat, ¿qué montañas tan altas? In English, what mountains so high? ¿Cuánto humo? Debe de haber un incendio. I repeat, ¿cuánto humo? Debe de haber un incendio. So much smoke. There must be a fire. ¿Cuántos libros tiene el profesor? ¿Cuántos libros tiene el profesor? How many books the professor has? ¿Cuánto trabaja Eva? Le va a pasar algo. ¿Cuánto trabaja Eva? Le va a pasar algo. How much Eva works? Something may happen to her. ¿Cuánto ladra este perro? ¿Cuánto ladra este perro? How much this dog barks? This dog barks so much. ¿Cuánto lo siento? ¿Cuánto lo siento? How sorry I am. ¿Cuánta gente? ¿Cuánta gente? So many people. We have seen some frequently used exclamations in Spanish. Hope you have learned their proper functioning and have enjoyed their usages. We shall continue with some more in the next module. Thank you. Gracias.